Since the last time, what has happened in the past few, a little bit while back, a lot has happened. Okay, a lot has happened. We'll continue to make things better. We'll continue to work on bringing more value into this platform. We'll continue. Let me just turn this up. We'll continue to make sure that we're staying up to date with the business of real estate, with business in general, with finance and things like that. But also with content marketing. Okay, that's something that we're going to be bringing a lot to you. Real estate wholesaling is changing. Things are changing, or wholesale real estate, as you might like to call it. Things are changing, not just because the business changes. This business doesn't change at its core itself, but more so the business evolves, just like humans evolve. So how humans respond to any type of business, as an audience, as a producers, as consumers, changes because humans change, humans evolve in their behavior. So it only makes sense that we have to make sure that we're updating things. Okay. At one point over the last 3 months, we were releasing brand new videos every single month. Brand new videos every single month. We were releasing brand new videos. So I'm actually going to go ahead and review some of those because I feel like maybe you've missed out on some of them, and it's very important that you go back and review some of those just in case you missed out on them. Okay, if you missed out on some of the very important videos, a lot of them are Q&As, a lot of them are specific topics, a lot of them are full-blown content, comprehensive content. So we'll continue to bring that to you. Let me just go ahead and share my screen here so we can make sure. All right, so but today what you can expect that we're going to go through again, we're gonna do property of the day. We're gonna talk about some of the things that are in the news. We're also gonna do 5 stages overview, just to make sure that we are refreshed about the business. Again, the core concepts of the business never really changes. It's how you go about interacting with the audience, the consumers of the services that we bring to the table, which in wholesaling is twofold. So we're talking about motivated sellers, but we're also talking about buyers, cash buyers, investors, right? Those are the two categories of people that we serve. That's how you make 10, 15, $20,000 a piece. Okay. Being able to do this using systems is going to be key. All right. So with that being said, let me just go ahead and share my screen. I think it's very important that I share my screen at this point. Let me see. Let's see. Boom. There you go. All right, great. All right, good. So let me share my screen. Let's go to youtube.com. No, well, we're going to go to myempirepro.com. Just in case you're brand new here, this is some of the resources that we have available for you. myempirepro.com/blog is where you can go. We just updated this particular piece of content here. It's basically about real estate comps. If you're not familiar with what real estate comps are, real estate comps it's a short for comparable, right? So when you're trying to value a piece of property, the most popular, there are about 3 different ways: income approach, there's I think it's called replacement approach, but there's also something called market analysis. There's different phrases for them, but that's what real estate comparables are. So in the industry, we call them comp for short. Okay, we call them comp for short. You're going to see me use examples here in a second when we get into the property of the day segment. All right, so we just did that. There's also a piece of article here on real estate versus stocks and pre-foreclosure listing, what you must know. All right, so if you go to youtube.com, well, I already opened it here, and we go, well, we already have the channel open here. All right, so we're live right now, of course. If you go here, we go on the videos. You can see some of the most recent videos that we have here. You need this to wholesale bank-owned properties. the only effective disclosure in wholesaling. This is a very important topic. Actually, it's just so funny that some of the most important topic are the ones that has the lowest views, but it's okay. If you're watching me right now, at least I'm getting your attention on it, right? So we got tons of videos that were released over the past few months. Just wanted to know that they are here. You can always go back and watch them. Now if I go back to the homepage here, there is a free course. There are 2 free courses on here, just in case you're brand new here and you're trying to get your feet wet in the game. We have a free wholesale real estate course here. It's very concise, to the point, can get you going. You can start making $10,000-$20,000 per deal just for following this. But again, we'll continue the training. But the sound up training here called the free wholesaling 101 course. These are long forms, and this includes specific stories that you can learn from that gives you more context into the business. We also have another course here on Facebook ads for real estate investors, all available there for free, so feel free to take advantage of it. All right, so that's basically what we've done in recent times. Just wanted to bring you up to speed, just in case you're wondering where have we been. That's what we've been working on. Okay, so right about now, what I want to do is I want to go into a segment called the property of the day. And what I will be doing in this segment is basically going into specific cities around the nation, and I would try to pick cities where we're hot in any moment in time. What we engage in is called virtual wholesaling, okay, which means real estate wholesaling anywhere in the United States, from anywhere in the world. Okay, so you could do this from anywhere in the world, but we focus on United States real estate only. And there's some exceptions, like for example, we try to avoid when it comes to marketing efforts and marketing resources, we avoid markets like New York, California, and some other states where regulations are kind of unreasonable, right? Because again, there are 50 states and we don't have to go into this place, but we do deals anywhere in terms of some deals that just fall on our lap. But in terms of where we direct our marketing resources, money, dollars, energy, we focus on majority of the states except New York State, California. I think we also avoid Oklahoma, Ohio, Illinois, So that's about 5 different states that we tend to avoid. But anyway, let's keep going here. So we're going to talk about the property of the day. I want to share my screen right about now. Let's go ahead and share my screen. Let's see, stop screen share. Okay, great. So there's a tool that we use. This tool, you can try it out for free. So I would definitely recommend that you go try it out for free. Let's see here. Where is it? There you go. It's called PropStream, okay? And you can try it out for free by just going to empirebigdata.com, and that will give you access to a free trial, so you don't have to pay money before you try.